Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how Fave app help you to save money. First you download Fave app, then you click on it, wait for it to launch, and then you go to ecards. Okay, so inside ecards it show you which are the merchants that can save you money. For example, Subway, you can get $30 by paying $27. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click pay now using GrabPay. Okay, so just this one is just an example. Okay, so once you have made purchases, it will give you another cashback. Okay, for example, look at my cashback on the top left corner. Okay, it shows the partner cashback which help you to save money. Okay, so for example, my biryani house, okay, there's a cashback of 12 cents. You can use it for the next purchase before expiring on the 31st October. Okay, if you are new to this app, you can get $1 off by using my referral code FAVEYORI38. So you'll get $1 off from your first purchase, minimum purchase of $20. Okay, basically this is all I want to share with you. Hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to this channel.